Okay, by request, I have I wanted to show off that Broughton low high pass filter again. This time with my 2002 Gibson Thunderbird with Lollars T-Bird pickups, and this has Cobalt flats on it, which are sound really great with these pickups. Actually, a friend of mine turned me on to this little trick, and it sounds really nice because it's very clear. But the way this trainer amp works, I just had a feeling that the low high pass filter would help, and I think it really does. So here's a little bit of it without the filter. Treble's dimed, bass is dimed, mids are at about 2 o'clock. I have the resonance quite high, and here's a little bit of how it sounds. In my opinion, and there's something interesting that happens with the Broughton. Besides tightening up that, there's some sloppy low stuff you can't even really hear, but the amp will open up just by getting rid of some of that real deep stuff, and I think the whole thing kind of comes into focus. Right now it sounds like there's a little hole in the mids, if you ask me. But this kind of ties it together really nicely. So here it is with no filter. Here it is with. I really like it, and maybe we can go slightly brighter. It works with this EQ to me because I'm not even trying it upright because I want a nice kind of bright present sound, but I don't want a bunch of 10, 12K. I don't want it that bright. I don't want it up there. I don't slap or anything. So I just think it works wonders personally, and I might even get a second one so I can have one dedicated to an upright board and one dedicated to an electric board. They're a little expensive. They're like 180 bucks, which to me is a little expensive for something that doesn't make any sound. You're not going to get any effect out of it, but it really, with certain amps, this one for sure, it just totally tightens up the sound. So I'm pretty thrilled I got it, and there you go with the Cobalt, which are great strings if you want a pretty, like you want the flat wound thing, but you still want a present, punchy sound. I think they really work. So there you have it.